Concrete pump. Test drive demo video. This is our hydraulic oil tank.
Open this lid, add Chongqing Jewelry. 46 anti-wear hydraulic oil.
The window must show that it is all oil.
This thing is called a grease pump.
Hit it 2 times every 10 minutes of machine work.
To lubricate the grease at the large and small ends inside. This position is called the water tank. Add a mixture of water and engine oil. Just add it to half of the water tank position. It cools and lubricates the piston. Connect 3-phase electricity when using 3 live wires. After connecting, check if the work indicator light is red or green. If it's green, the camera is normal. If it's a red light, we need to reverse the wires and turn it into green. The machine is normal. Close the lid. Turn on the DC switch when using it. Now, can't you start to turn it to the right? Motor start stop. It means the motor starts to run and the pump is normal.